it's Hillary of Creative Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really fun to show you. It is a giant bag. So I thought it would be fun to show you how I put together this. It's kind of like a planner, journal, Bible study tote. And I go a lot of different places, just in general. Like sometimes I hang out at my parents' house, or I hang out at my apartment, or the church, or I work at the church, or I'll go to the beach with my family, or I'm kind of all over the place. And I love bringing all my planner and Bible journaling supplies with me, and Bible study supplies. And so a lot of the time I have like these little dinky bags that I try and throw everything in, but it doesn't always, like, they're not always super sturdy, or I have like half of it in my backpack, half of it in one bag, half of it in the other bag. And so one of the things I thought would be really fun, this idea came to me to get a bag. This is actually a gardening bag from Martha Stewart. To get one of these on Amazon, and I will link this in the description box below if you guys want to get one too. And use it as like a planner, journal, Bible study tote. And I have been absolutely loving it, you guys. It has been so much fun. I can take it in my bedroom and plan on Bible journal and study the Bible on my bed, or I can move it into the kitchen table, or onto the couch, or into my creative space. And mind you, I live in a one-bedroom apartment. Everything is very close together. But for some reason, just having it all in one tote in one place makes it so much easier to go from bop, 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 place to place to place. Or if I want to go to my parents' house or go to the beach, I can just have it all in here. And so I wanted to show you guys what I put in here, how I kind of have it packed, and how I've been using it. So this is a canvas tote from Martha Stewart. I got it on Amazon. And like I said, it's for gardening, and so it has all of these fun pockets on the outside, which is perfect for supplies. I love it because it came with an over-the-shoulder strap, and so I use this a lot if I'm going, like, dragging it to the car and back. I'll use this strap, but you can also take it off, so if you didn't want to have the strap, you don't have to, and it is adjustable. But it also has these little handles too, and so I can carry it like this as well. You see I have decorated a little bit. I put some different pins on. So one of these pins my friend Josie of the Gospel Confetti. She made me this one. And then this one that says Pray is from my friend Allie Scraps. And if she still sells these on her website, I will link that down below. This little one, my friend Stacy sent me for Christmas actually, and it's a heart, and so half of it says, she has the part that says crafty, and I have this part that says friends, so that was really sweet of her. It's currently upside down. And then this one says called to create. My friend Gail gave that to me, and this is a pin from Heart by Cece. So I just love how it just has a few decorations on it. And so in these pouches I have kind of my tools or supplies. So I got this. It's actually a sunglass case. It has this cute little sloth on it. It says enjoy the view. And I have pens in it. So I have these cute pens that were in one of my workshop kits. I have my favorite glue pens. And I have some other little pens in here, a ballpoint pen and stuff like that. So this is kind of my little pen container, and it slides into this pouch. And then next I have washi cards. So I love washi tape, and so I use these to take different tapes with me on the go. And so I use these little white tags, and I just have them tucked in here. And then in this pouch I have this little roll of stickers that my mom got me. I think she picked it up from Walmart. And then on the back side, and these two pockets are empty, so I do have room to put other goodies. And then in these two pockets I love using these just like jump rings, and I put my little washi tapes on them. So these are my thin washi tapes, and I love using these in my planner and Bible and journaling and stuff. So then there's two larger pockets on the ends, and so in this larger pocket I have my wellness planner. And so I do have a flip through of my wellness planner on my YouTube channel, and I'll link that in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And so this is a really pretty cover that I got from for free actually at the Candy Shop Planner Conference. It's from the Planner Society. And so I have my wellness planner in here, and so each day I kind of document what I eat or what I do for a workout or kind of my mental health too and things like that. So I have my wellness planner on one end, and then on the other end I have my word of the year notebook. And so for 2020 I have 2 words of the year, joy and sacrifice, and so I made this little notebook. I will have a video either already up or going to be up about my word of the year notebook and kind of how I'm setting it up and using it. So if this video gets posted after this one, then I'll link it down below. Or subscribe and stay tuned for this one. And so one of the things I do is I write kind of book quotes or Bible verses that go along with my word of the year. And so this is a book called Defiant Joy, so it matches up with my word of the year, one of them. And I will link this book on Amazon below. It is so good, you guys. I got it from Hobby Lobby for like $1. It was on super duper sale. And so yeah, so that's how I use my word of the year, kind of just document what God has been teaching me about those words. And so that lives in this big pocket on the other end. All right, now the guts, the inside. Let's see if I can kind of hold it up. So this is what the inside looks like. It has 2 pouches on either side. So it has this pocket. It's kind of hard to tell. So one pocket on either side. And so on one of the sides I have, this is my 1000 Gifts notebook. So I'm reading the book 1000 Gifts it's by Ann Voskamp, and I'll link that book on Amazon. It is another phenomenal book. Kind of goes along with my word of the year because joy and thankfulness are so connected. And so I document what I'm thankful for each day, and the goal is to get to 1,000 and more gifts. And then I have this fun little tab. This tab is from Avery, and I will link these tabs on Amazon. They're my favorite tabs. I use it as a bookmark because you can remove it and move it around. They are awesome and beautiful. So that's what I have in one of the little pouches on the side. And then normally on the other side I also have I have it on my desk right now because I was using it to film. It all comes crashing out. I have one of these Studio Calico pouches, and I have a bunch of alphabet stickers from By the Well for God's Etsy shop. And so I like to keep those because I use those a lot in my journaling. So the next thing I have is a pouch full of highlighters. And this pouch is from Nana Paws Love, and I'll put her shop in the description box below. And inside I have my favorite highlighters. I'll link these on Amazon, and I use these in my Bible study and journaling a lot. I also have these Library of God cards from Alley Scraps that I'll link below, and a pen. So these are my Bible study supplies in this cute little pouch that sits on top. And then next I have my Bible, and I do have a whole YouTube video about my favorite Bible study supplies, and I'll link that video in the description box below. This is the Bible I use, the Everyday Life Bible. I love it a lot. I've been using it for a year now, and yeah, it's a really awesome study devotion Bible. Next, how I do my Bible study notes is I use this Happy Planner, and let's see if I can flip to a page. I do creative note-taking, and I do have a video about this that I'll link below. And so I love using this as I read. So I'll read the Bible, and then I'll document what God taught me in here. So that is definite necessity. Next, this is my daily kind of journal. My sweet fiance got me this notebook, and I added these year number stickers are from By the Wall for God, and the stickers from Heart by Cece. Same friend who made the Created to Create pin. And so it just has a spot for each day. And what I do at the end of each day is I just write out what happened in the day. And I have a lot of change and a lot of awesome things happening in 2020. And so I just wanted to be better about daily journaling. And so for me, having only one page, not being overwhelmed by a whole notebook, is a really cool way to just document what happened during the day. And I use stickers and washi tape and stuff, and so I love using this. So this is in here too. So it's kind of the things that I reach for daily. And then I have sticker books, and so these are a few of my favorites. So I have this was one, it has a bunch of food in it that I got from Michael's, and so I use that one. And then this is a digital detox happy planner sticker book and the wellness happy planner sticker book. And so I use all of these a lot of the time in my wellness planner, but I also use them in my daily planner, or they have just kind of like inspirational sayings and stuff, so I'll use them in my word of the year notebook too and things like that. So those are kind of some of the sticker books. And then I also, my sweet fiance got me the faith sticker book for Christmas, and it is like getting kind of empty because I use it almost every single day. I'll pull a sticker from here. So I love happy planner sticker books. I love sticker books in general. I love a lot of supplies. Like I love watercolors and stamps and stuff like that, but sometimes that's hard for me to like get out and clean and do every day. And so that's why I love washi tape and stickers, especially because I can just adhere them down. I don't need any other tools to use them. And then that's it. That is the bottom of my tote. It is a massive tote. Well, okay, it's not too massive, but I love it so much, and so I just thought it would be a fun idea. Maybe you guys need some inspiration, or you're wondering how to journal on the go, how to make everything fit, how to take things. Like this is a perfect tote to take to the coffee shop or library or on vacation, and you'll have all of your supplies with you to journal or plan or Bible study and whatnot. So I hope this video was helpful, and definitely check out all the links down below to pick up your own fun garden planner journal Bible tote. And anyways, I just hope that this video inspired you to get creative every single day. That is one of the things that I love, spending time at the end of the day, pausing and thinking about all the awesome things that happened and writing them down and reflecting in my journals and planners and whatnot. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up, because who doesn't love giant totes full of craft supplies? And hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because I don't want you to miss out on any creative faith videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. In the comments below, make sure to leave me any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!